So I've started the recording and I'll just share my screen now. Is the screen visible to all of you? So yeah, as I was saying, what we are going to learn today is given a regular expression, you should be able to convert it into a corresponding NFA or DFA, whatever. Okay. So suppose the given regular expression is something like this, right? So this is the given regular expression, right? And you have to construct the corresponding or this regular expression. So firstly, what you do is you take a starting state, directly put a arc, put an ending state or final state, and label it as this regular expression. Okay, that is 1 0 plus 0 plus 1 1 0 star 1. So this is going to be your step 1. Okay. In step 2, we try to break this regular expression into parts. Now, by now you all are well aware of the fact that this plus symbol is for or operation, right? That is either this will happen or this will happen. And whenever we write two symbols sidewise, it concatenation, right? So for step 2, what we do is we are going to take another initial state, and we are going to try to break this regular expression. So what we can do in the first step is we can break it into two parts. One is this and one is this. So just take an arc from here, label it as 1 0. It's going to one state. Okay, and another over here, again it is going to the same state. The label will be 0 plus 1 1 0 star 1, right? So either this will occur or that will occur. How do we understand? Because there's a plus sign, it's a union. So either 1 0 will happen or 0 plus 1 1 0 star 1 will happen, right? So therefore this is our single final state, this is our initial state, and what we do is we put two alternative paths, one via 0 or 1 0 and one via 0 plus 1 1 0 star 1. So this is the first step that we are going to do. Okay, next we will further try to break this expression. So this is also another expression, this is another expression. So what we do is we try to break this expression. So in next step, what we do is, again we are taking an initial state. For 1 0, what we can simply do is 1 0 means it's a concatenation. First 1 will come and then 0 will come. So we can just put 1 and it's going to one state, and then we have a 0. It is going to another state, which is the final state. So this is the final state, right? So this portion is done. Now we try to break the lower part. So what we do is we can break it into two parts. At first, we can break it into two parts. What are those parts? One part is this one, and one is this one, right? So it's 1 0 plus 1 1 followed by concatenated with 0 star 1. So what we do is we directly write 1 0 plus 1 1. Okay, and it's going to a state over which we have a self loop of 0. So we can just put a self loop of 0 followed by a 1, right? So it's followed by a 1. This is a step that we can follow. Okay. Now another step is left, basically, because this is also a regular expression and we need to break this into normal, levels of automata. Okay. So the fourth, I'm just rubbing this portion. So the fourth step that we are going to encounter over here is, again, we'll have initial. Yes. One z, which one? Z, one one. This one is 1 0 plus 1 1. Okay. So again, the final state is step is left. So we will redraw the upper portion, which will be same. It's 1 and 0. Coming to the final state. Okay. Now what we are supposed to, which one? Just, okay. Sorry. Yeah, so it's fine, right? No? Okay, sorry. Okay, so for the last step, we will try to break this down, right? So we can either have a path via 0 or via 1 1. Okay, so let's take a path via 0 coming to a state, or it's a 1 1 reaching the same state. So it's either a 0 or a 1 1. And after that, the things remain same. We had a self loop of 0. And from here, we would go to the final state with the labeling of 1, right? So here we are with the final NFA. Maybe it's not a DFA. You check it whether it's an NFA or DFA. I guess it's a NFA. Okay, so if in the question it is, yeah, if it's in a question, it is mentioned that convert the regular expression into a corresponding automata, this is done and this is complete. But if it is explicitly mentioned that convert the NFA to a DFA, then what you need to do is, after this step, you have to follow another final step where you will convert the NFA into a DFA. Okay, otherwise the process is going to be same. Okay, so let's go for another example because the process is quite easy and we do not follow any particular rule, or we do not have any particular lemma as we had in the other case. But just for making the process easier for you, let us just go for another question. Okay. So here, the question goes like this. I'll just write the first step. As you know that the first step is just the initial state and the final state, and the label will be the regular expression. So what is the regular expression given in the question? It is 0 or 1. It's a 0 or 1 star 0 or 1 star, 0 0 or 1 1, and again we have a 0 plus 1 star, right? So